Let's be completely honest. Finding perfect gear can be stressful, but this thsi might just most satisfying changes everything. Stop scrolling right now. I was honestly a bit skeptical at first, but after seeing that it works exactly as advertised, I was completely sold. It is super practical for everyday use because it simply does its job beautifully every single time. The single biggest reason you need this in your life is because it makes your daily routine effortless. It's highly practical, compact, ADN packed with thoughtful features that actually matter to you. Stop settling for less when you can have the best. thsi is your ultimate sign to upgrade before the price goes back up. Let's be completely honest. Finding perfect gear can be stressful, but this thsi might just most satisfying changes everything.